Hello, hello. Welcome back to Trading with Rags to Riches here. Welcome. Alrighty, so I am very excited to be back another amazing week with you all for our S&P 500 weekly markup. Hopefully you all have been tuning in over the past couple of weeks. Every Sunday, you can meet me here, 7 p.m. CST, Central Standard Time. You can meet me here for a weekly markup on S&P 500. Coming soon, more Forex videos, more knowledge on the financial markets. You guys definitely want to stay tuned, stay tapped in. And again, I'm always here to help you, empower you on your Forex journey. So do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe for me. I'm expecting this channel to blow up, okay? Because I'm going to be dropping a lot of knowledge on you guys. I have over 6 years of experience in the markets, and not just in the Forex markets, the futures markets, the options market, stock market, you name it. Okay, so without further ado, I got the tech side all the way together this week, so it don't take me long to improve. So just wanted to share that with you all. Again, we're going to go ahead and get started with our S&P 500. Once again, welcome to my channel. And I'm super excited to share this amazing information with you all. So here we are. We were on S&P 500 last week. And let me tell you, you can see our previous markup. So one thing I like to do is save our charts from last week. And as you can see, we have, let's get this mouse back over here. We have S&P playing out to the T, okay? But I'm going to backtrack. I'm going to backtrack for you because we can't start without a top-down analysis. Because how are you supposed to know where you are in the market if you don't know where you're going? If you don't know where you've come from, right? So where are we in the market? Where are we coming from? Therefore, we'll know where we're going because this analysis is to prepare you for the week. Again, if you've been following over the last couple of weeks, you will definitely see that you could have made some money. All right. So as you can see, we are very bullish. We are in fact starting an early Santa Claus rally. Okay. So I'm on the daily chart and we were already extremely bullish. As you can see, coming from the monthly time frame down to the weekly. And here on my blue path tool, we are on the daily and we are very bullish, okay? Very little retracements. We're going to jump down to the 4-hour. The 4-hour represented by my green path tool here. We had a slight pullback and price continued. We're going to jump to the 1-hour chart so you can see exactly how this played out. On the yellow path tool, you can see here how the market actually played out. Okay. Look at here. So last week, the ultimate goal was to see S&P continue on this bullish run. All right. Now, you always have to calculate in some sort of pullback, especially when prices made a previous high. And again, this was last week, at the beginning of last week. Price had made the previous high ending on that previous Friday, November 23rd. We knew that because price made a previous high, it needed to pull back some. How far it's going to pull back, we can't predict that. We can only prepare. And what we do is we mark those areas off based off previous price action, based off previous demand levels. So as you can see, we had our first previous demand level here to the left. Okay. Price pulled back there. I mean, just a few hours after the call during the London session. Okay, tested in this area a few times before it ultimately broke to the upside. Okay, so that was just one opportunity for you to make some money. Price then pulled back again to our level once again, tested that previous demand now for the third, fourth time, fifth time in a week, and ultimately took off to our TP where price has ended for the previous week. And we're going to move this here. So what is our expectation? It's going to be similar to last week because price has made this previous high. All right. All price is doing, you guys, is waving to the upside, respecting levels. At some point is going to break those previous levels here and continue to the downside. But that's not where we are because we're in a Santa Claus rally. What is a Santa Claus rally? It is a historical, optimistic time in the market during the Christmas season. Why do we call it Santa Claus rally? Because again, most investors are very optimistic. You have a lot of shoppers in the market. Therefore, all of these different companies within these indices tend to thrive a little bit more. And again, you just have this overall more joyful feeling. You have investors, really reallocating their assets. So you have just a lot of optimism in the market due to the Christmas season, due to tax season approaching. So this is a preparation for taxes and different things like that. So with that being said, let's talk about where we are. Hold on, I want to backtrack one more time. I forgot to count those pips for you guys. We are, so again, price came to our level and ultimately hit TP for a total of 500, we might as well call it 575 pips, okay? 550 points, okay? So nice money on the table there. And we're going to do this each and every Sunday. So make sure that you stay tuned in for the weekly prep on S&P 500. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off our previous markings because we can see that the market played out for the second time since I've gone live with you all here on YouTube. Price has went in our favor. This is not just live from YouTube though. I've been doing this for over a year with my Forex trading community at Forex Trading with Rags to Riches. So guys, tune in, join the community, get these analysis on a weekly basis here live and in the trading community. So again, where are we for the week? We want to make sure that these levels are still being respected. Therefore, we don't really need to change much. If anything, we can delete this level here because we have price action really respecting this level here. Okay. And we also need to make that a demand zone now. So here we are on a demand zone. And you guys, price action is purely price moving, increasing and decreasing on the charts, and it needs areas in the market to respect, which are going to be your supply and demand levels, okay? Not just your support and resistance level. So again, where are we? Price has made a new high, similar that it did last week. So my expectation is pretty much the same, okay? So ultimately, this is what we want to see. Does this mean that's exactly what price is going to do? No. But ideally, this is what we want to see because we want to see price pull back in order for us to get in at that discount level. You do not want to be buying the market at a high, meaning at a premium level, and then the price pulls back on you too much and your account can't handle it, okay? So ultimately what we want to see, let's make sure we have the 1 hour here. It would be really nice to see the market come and respect this level. If not, price might want to test this level again, but we're on such a bullish run right now. I'm not sure if we'll get that, but what I can see is price simply waving itself back to the upside. Okay, I ultimately see that. We are at the 61.8 on, let's see, is this a 4-hour? This is definitely a 4-hour level. Let's see if price, yeah, so price here on the 4-hour level is definitely at the 61.8. So my expectation is really to see price continue. However, on a intraday time frame, let's see, what do we have? So we can pull a fib from this low to this high, and price is at the 27, which means we still have time for price to make it here, hopefully even further, and never regret that price can ultimately start to respect inside of this levels before ultimately heading to the upside. Either way, I'm still very, very bullish and definitely expecting price to respect these highs here and even push past those highs. So if you all would do me a favor, again, like and subscribe, join our free Telegram group. Okay, links are in the description. And I look forward to seeing you all on next Sunday for another S&P weekly markup. Here you are for the week, guys. Happy trading and get those pips.